Now he got the news from their uh, D dog wide web. Okay, so that I have treated another dog bro. So now I'm also applying this gel to him. All right, so so he got the news and he knows. That's why he approached me and he's trying to say something. He's licking. Okay, he's saying thank you. All right. Okay. দেখি Oh great, shabash. এই তো লাগাই দিছি। দেখি shabash. That's it. Okay, so now I have applied this gel to him also and he's quite happy, right? So actually I have started applying it before taking the video, but I thought that why not I make the video so that it will remind me, it will give me strength. Okay, right? Tick. Okay, she's saying right.